life can be painful. We experience physical discomfort, emotional distress. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, lost in the hurt. But there's a way to find peace within meditation. Meditation is a practice, a way to train your mind. It's about paying attention to your breath, your body, your thoughts. Meditation helps us become aware of our pain, not to dwell on it, but to understand it. With practice, we learn to observe these sensations without judgment. This awareness is the first step to finding relief. Through different meditation techniques, we can soothe our minds, ease our pain. Meditation isn't about erasing pain completely. It's about changing how we relate to it. It's about finding moments of peace, even amidst discomfort. This journey inwards, it's a journey towards healing. One powerful technique is breath awareness. Sit comfortably, close your eyes. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath. Feel the air entering your nostrils, cool and refreshing. Feel your chest rise, your belly expand. As you exhale, notice the air leaving your body. Focus on each breath, one at a time. Don't judge your breath, just observe. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back to the sensation of your breath. This simple practice can be profoundly calming. It helps to quiet the mind to find a sense of stillness. When pain arises, focus on your breath. Imagine each inhale carrying soothing energy to the area. With each exhale, visualize the pain lessening. This technique can help manage pain, reduce stress. It's a tool you can use anytime, anywhere. Another powerful technique is the body scan meditation. Lie down comfortably, close your eyes. Bring your attention to your toes. Notice any sensations, tingling, warmth, pressure. Don't judge, just observe. Slowly move your attention up your body, from your toes to your feet, your ankles, your calves. Notice any areas of tension, tightness, pain. Acknowledge these sensations with kindness. Imagine your breath flowing to these areas, bringing relief. Continue scanning your body part by part, your legs, your hips, your stomach, your chest, your back, your shoulders, your arms, your hands, your neck, your head, your face. With each part, notice any sensations, any pain. Section 4. Guided imagery, your mind's canvas. Guided imagery is another powerful tool for pain relief. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes. Imagine a place where you feel safe, peaceful. It could be a beach, a forest, a mountaintop. Engage all your senses. Visualize the vibrant colors, the soothing sounds. Feel the gentle breeze, the warm sun on your skin. Imagine yourself completely relaxed, free from pain. Spend time exploring this peaceful place. If pain arises, visualize it as a dark cloud. See it slowly dissipating, replaced by light. Imagine healing energy flowing through your body. This technique can help reduce pain perception. Section 5. Loving kindness, melting the pain away. Loving kindness meditation cultivates compassion for ourselves and others. Sit comfortably, close your eyes. Bring to mind someone you love deeply. Wish them happiness, peace, freedom from suffering. Repeat these phrases silently. May you be well, may you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be free. Now direct these phrases to yourself. May I be well, may I be happy, may I be peaceful, may I be free. Extend this loving kindness outwards, to a neutral person, a difficult person, all beings. This practice cultivates compassion, reduces stress. It can help us approach pain with kindness, acceptance. Section 6. Your journey to inner peace. Meditation, in its various forms, offers a path to inner peace. It allows us to manage pain, find moments of calm. Remember, meditation is a practice. Be patient with yourself. Start with a few minutes each day. With consistency, you'll find it easier to quiet your mind, to observe your pain without judgment, to cultivate compassion for yourself and others. This journey inwards, it's a journey towards healing. There are many resources available to guide you: books, apps, online communities. Find what resonates with you, start exploring. Embrace the power of meditation, ease your pain, find peace within.